Stop wasting hours pushing a mop and vacuum around your home. What if one smart device could handle spills, dust, and stubborn stains on its own? The Dyson Spot Scrub AI Wet and Dry Robot Vacuum promises exactly that, combining vacuum suction, wet scrubbing, and AI navigation into one futuristic cleaning system designed to simplify daily chores. After extensive real-world use on tile, marble, and low-pile carpet, the device shows impressive engineering but also reveals a few limitations worth knowing. Its AI navigation maps rooms quickly and avoids obstacles with precision, rarely bumping into furniture and efficiently covering floor areas without random zigzagging. The wet scrubbing feature performs well on light dirt, dried footprints, and kitchen splashes, leaving floors noticeably fresher, although deeply embedded stains may still require manual attention. Suction power is strong enough to handle dust, crumbs, and pet hair. The performance slightly drops on thicker rugs where debris can remain trapped. The Spot Scrub technology is useful for targeted cleaning zones, yet the water tank requires frequent refilling during larger cleaning sessions, which may interrupt convenience. Noise levels remain moderate and less intrusive than many traditional vacuums, making it suitable for daily use. Battery life supports full apartment cleaning in one cycle, though larger homes may need a recharge before completion. Overall, this robot vacuum delivers smart automation and time-saving functionality, while stopping short of replacing deep manual cleaning, making it a practical, though not flawless, upgrade for modern households seeking efficiency without expecting perfection.